Hi, I'm Kat Robinson, and we're here at the Annunciation Greek Orthodox Church in West Little Rock. We're taking a sneak peek inside what's available this year at the Greek Food Festival. This 32nd annual festival here in Little Rock is one of my favorite festivals to attend each year. Let's take a look at some of the food they'll be serving. One, you need to check out the Greek fries. These are big curls of fries that are topped with feta cheese and served with tzatziki sauce. Great for dipping, great for sharing. Two, you need to try the lamb burger. This is a third-pound burger with Greek seasoning that's got feta cheese and the tzatziki sauce in there and fresh greenery on an Arkansas fresh bakery bun. Excellent. And of course, there's the lamb shakes. This is a wonderful dinner. You're going to need to come out here. It's not available through the drive-thru.
Marinate the shanks with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and oregano, salt and pepper. We marinate them overnight. The next day, we brown them for 30 minutes on each side. And then we braise them for another 2.5 hours on a tomato and red wine sauce.
You'll suck the marrows right out of this. It comes on a bed of rice, and it may be the most expensive thing you buy. It's going to be the tastiest thing you buy at the Greek Food Festival this year. Here in Little Rock at the Greek Annunciation Church, the pastries are made starting in December, with baklava laid out in sheets and frozen for baking and preparation later. Last year at the Greek Food Festival, they made 26,000 pieces of pastry to sell, just like these wedding cookies right here. And they ran out by Saturday afternoon. This year there's 40,000 of these pieces being made, and it's a round-the-clock operation. There's a day shift and a night shift working to make all of this, and it's all made by volunteers, which is truly amazing. The 32nd annual Greek Food Festival will be held Friday through Sunday, the 20th through 22nd of May, right here in Little Rock. It opens at 11 o'clock on that Friday morning, and I think that's the best time to go if you happen to be off work. If you are at work, though, check out Chef Shuttle. They're doing the Greek Food Festival package where they'll come and pick up your gyros and bring them right to your office or home. Whatever you do, you're going to really enjoy coming out here and enjoying this fantastic food.